Assalamualaikum my dear students. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Here I am Kamrun Nahar, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students, today I am going to take a computer class for the students of class 2, and on today's topic is chapter 5, and the name of this chapter is Paint. So all of you take your computer book and go to page number 33. So let's start our class today. Chapter 5, and the name of this chapter is Paint. Now look, there are some pictures and you can draw these pictures at home and you can color them, and a computer can also help you draw such pictures, and let us see how. So today we will know how to draw pictures with the computer. Now page number 34. Take the help of your teacher to switch on the computer and go to the paint screen. So at first we will go to in front of a computer, and then we will switch on the computer, either the observation of the teacher or your parents or guardian. So what are the steps to go to the paint screen? Step 1, click on the start button. So at first we will click on the start button. Number 2, click on all programs. So when you will click on the start button, all programs option will come. And number 3, on the list that appears, go to accessories, click on it. So then you will click on the accessories, and now number 4, click on paint. So when you click accessories, the paint program will come, and then you will click on paint, and the paint screen appears. Now look, this is called the paint screen, and in paint screen you can find ribbon. Now this section is called ribbon, and this section is called colors, and the white portion is called the drawing area, and you will draw the picture here. Now learning to draw. So drawing a line with the brushes tool. Number 1, take the mouse pointer inside the white portion called the drawing area. So at first we will take the mouse pointer in this white portion, and this white portion is called the drawing area. So my dear students, in our previous lesson we have learned what is the mouse pointer. The arrow looks like, the arrow which is in the monitor screen is called mouse pointer. Now the next step, the pointer changes to a plus sign. So now the pointer will change to a plus sign. So if you take this pointer to the white portion, and this pointer now will change to a plus sign, and this plus sign is called the brushes tool. Now the next step, number 3, press and hold the left mouse button. So now you will press the left mouse button and you will hold it. Now when you move the mouse, the pointer will draw a line. So when you move the mouse, which direction you will move the mouse will draw a line. And now the next step, number 4, when you want to stop drawing, release the mouse button. So when you want to when you want to stop drawing, you will just release the mouse button. That means you will release the left mouse button. Now drawing a line with the pencil tool. You can also use other tools to draw. Let us see. Let us now use the pencil tool. And step 1, and now look, you will find the tools in this section, the brushes tool and the pencil tool. Number 1, take the mouse pointer to the pencil tool on the ribbon. Now look, in this ribbon you will go to this section, that means the pencil tool, and it is called the pencil tool. Number 2, select this tool by clicking on the left mouse button. So you will click on the left mouse button to select the pencil tool. Number 3, bring the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Now we will bring the mouse pointer to the drawing area to draw the picture. And number 4, the pointer changes to a pencil. Now the pointer will changes to a pencil in and here it is called the brushes tool. When the pointer changes to a plus sign, it is called the brushes tool, and when the pencil changes to a pencil, it is called the pencil tool. Number 5, press and hold the left mouse button and draw a line by moving the mouse. So you will press the left mouse button and you will move the mouse according to your wish, and the mouse will move and you can draw a picture. Number 6, release the mouse button whenever you want to stop drawing. So you will release the mouse button, that means the left mouse button, if you want to stop your drawing. And remember, if you want to draw using brushes tool, again just click on it and start drawing. So if you want to use the brushes tool, again you will just click on the brushes tool in the ribbon and you will start drawing. Now go to page number 36. Now look, lines draw using the pencil tool. Now you can draw the line using pencil tool. Now we will learn how to draw a colored line. Drawing a colored line. Number 1, select the brushes tool. So at first you will select the brushes tool from the ribbon. Go to colors in the ribbon and click on any one of the small colored squares, say blue. Now look here, page number 34. There are some squares which are colored and you will select a color. Suppose you select a color blue. So you will click on the blue square. Now you have selected blue color. You can select any color of your choice. So you can also select green or red or yellow or violet. Number 2, bring the mouse pointer again to the drawing area. So you will bring the mouse pointer to this white portion, that means to the drawing area again. And number 3, draw a line in the drawing area. Look at the color of the line. So now if you move the mouse pointer, now you will see the blue color in the drawing area. Number 4, select other colors and draw as many lines as you want. Now if you want to select a green color, you can also select a green color and you can draw a green line, or you can also draw a black line. So according to your choice you will select the color to draw the picture. Now we will know about the eraser tool. So using the eraser tool, how will you use the eraser tool? So if you want to erase any drawing from your from this drawing area, we will use the eraser tool. And the first step, select the tool. Now look, there is an eraser. By clicking on it, so you will get this eraser tool in this part, that means in the ribbon area, and it is called the eraser tool. Now next step, bring the mouse pointer to the drawing area. So you will bring the mouse pointer to the drawing area, that means the white portion. And number 3, the pointer changes to a smaller square. Now the pointer will change to a small square. Now look, the pointer will change to a small square here. Number 4, press and hold the left mouse button and move the eraser over the black line. So now you will press and hold the left mouse button and you will move the eraser on the black line. If you want to remove the erase the black line, you will move the eraser over the black line, and if you want to erase the blue line, you will move the eraser over the blue line. Just like this, you will erase your drawing or lines from the drawing area. Number 5, the line gets erased. And number 6, erase the rest of the lines from the drawing area. So if you want to erase the rest of the line from the drawing area, you will just move the mouse over the line. Number 7, leave the mouse button after you finish erasing. So if you want to finish your erasing, you will just leave the left mouse button. Now using the brushes tool to draw. So if you want to draw the picture with the brushes tool, what will you do? At first we will select the brushes tool. Now look, in the ribbon there is the brushes tool. You will just click on it and you can select the brushes tool. Now next step, select a color from colors, say yellow. So now this time you can select the color yellow, or you can select any other color according to your choice. Now number 3, take the pointer to the drawing area. Now you will take the pointer to the drawing area. Number 4, press and hold the left mouse button and move the brush to draw the outline of a petal. So now you can draw the outline of a petal Now look, using the yellow color, or you can draw many more, the petal of a flower. So now look at the screen 5B. I mean, in your book, it is page number 38, and draw the outlines of other petals. So you can draw the outlines of other petals using the yellow color. So today we have discussed about paint program. I mean, and we learned how to draw the pictures with pencil tool and brushes tool. And my dear students, there is a homework for you, homework number 6, short questions from chapter 5. And what are the questions? What is called drawing area? So what is called drawing area? We have learned it. Now look page number 34. The white portion is called the drawing area. So what will be our answer? The white portion on the paint screen is called the drawing area. The second question, how can you start the paint program? So how can you start the paint program? Now look page number 34. It is given here. At first we will click on the start button, then we will go to the all programs, and then we will select accessories, and then you can find the paint program. So our answer is, the process of starting paint program is given below. So what is it? At first we will click on the start button, then all program, next accessories, and the last one we will get paint. So this is the process to start the paint program. Now question number 3, how does the eraser tool help us? So how does the eraser tool help us? Now page number 36, eraser tool help us to what? 36 and 37, you can get your answer. The eraser tool help us to draw the image or the drawings from the paint screen. So our answer is, the eraser tool helps us to erase drawings from the drawing area. So there are 3 short questions, and these 3 short questions will be your homework. So my dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood about today's topic, and all of you will do your homework in your in your homework copies, and you will submit all of your homework copies on every Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM. And my dear students, it's very important because your SBA and city marks will be given on the basis of the submission of your homework copies. So all of you do your homework regularly and study a lot, and listen to your parents. So see you again. Allah Hafiz.